Hey, come here.
What's up, Mayor? What's the problem? I'm on my way. What's your problem, Mayor?
I need you to vote buying some voters for me. Right now. Be faster.
Okay, good.
Weird yung sinusundan. Okay, go.
Hey, do you mind who's mayor you're gonna vote in this Travis election?
We are undecided.
I'm interesting to buy your votes.
No, I don't agree because vote buying is illegal. I'm interested.
Vote for Mayor Valenzuela. This is the file I want you to vote in.
Oh, it's golden.
It's done.
Sir, that man want to buy my phone.
Thank you, bro.
Sir, that man.
Hey!
Oh,
Wala na lang, yes. Okay na yun. Hey. Hey, hey, hey.
pinutin mo 2 beses ang screen mo.
Hey, Mayor, you're under arrest
For what?
for vote buying. May warrant arrest.
Just because you do not take an interest in politics doesn't mean politics won't take an interest in you. Voting is the most precious right of every citizen, and we have a moral obligation to ensure the integrity of our voting process. Thank you.